Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Huddleston from Southview Elementary. Today in your reading mini lesson, we learned that sometimes nonfiction authors use questions and answers to organize information. You may see some sentences that start, is this, who, what are, why can, why do, or are these. If you read a nonfiction book today, notice if the author organized the information in questions and answers. Make sure to mark your page of where you notice the questions and answers, and then bring your book when we come back together so that you can share. Have fun reading, friends.